Good morning and welcome to day 20 of Vlogmas. So today I don't know what I'm doing. I'm definitely wrapping the rest of my presents. I've got to quickly clean my room. I've got a dentist. My gnashers. I don't know what else I'm doing. It's my last day off before Christmas, so... Oh, one sec. That's better. There we go. Yeah, so I've got one of my earphones to pop in. I'll quickly clean my room and I'll see you back here. The room is clean, it's all sorted. Bar my cut these go up downstairs. But I ordered something the other day. Well, a couple of weeks ago actually. It's taken a while to come. But I cannot speak. So I ordered something last week that I've wanted to try for a while, but I decided to buy last week. It's the Estrid razors. Just thought I'd open it and show you what we've got in them. They're a vegan friendly environment as well, razor, and it's like a subscription box, so like you pay for your razor and then you see how often you shave and they will send you new razors. What was that? What's the mood? Leave me alone. Seriously, I've been waiting for this. Lovely packaging. Aww. It says, always remember, your body's beautiful. It's the most incredible, amazing thing you'll ever know, own, and there isn't anything else like it. You're one of a kind. That's cute. Comes in a little pouch like this. This oven obviously isn't an aid. So I went for peach, I think. Yeah. Oh, that is a weight. No, it's got too much to go. So it's like a metal, it's obviously a metal handle because I can't do plastic. But you get the razor, you get the holder, and pop in. Lick me now, will stick forever. So that'll go on the kitchen wall. In the shower, just stick it on, and then I'm shit. There you go. You get 2 blades to start off with, and then I think it's once every 2 months they'll send me about 3 or 4 more, so which is quite good. And it just says thank you. And what was this? It says, hey, it's so nice. It's got nice packaging. And also I cannot wait to have a little try of that. But how cute. Look at that colour. Is it on focus? Alexa, pause. It's wrapping time. It's the only thing I can wrap. Because I can't wrap. Where to start or what's in it? It's dentist time. I always love the dentist. I'm back from the dentist. Everything was fine with teeth, which we like to hear. And I'm back because I'm the dentist. I got myself a coffee. Didn't want coffee breath before I went. And I've got some caramel in there as well. There's caramel latte. Well, I wrap the rest. I'm still on rest of the presents. I've decided